Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Udemy subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, heading over to Udemy's website is where our journey begins. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the subscription section. To do this, hover over your profile photo at the top of the page. This action will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Look for the one labeled subscriptions and give it a click. Inside the subscription section, you'll see an option to subscribe. Click on it. This is where you commit to expanding your horizons. The next step is crucial, adding your billing details and payment method. You'll need to input information such as your billing address and choose your preferred payment method. The final step is to click on Start Subscription to Pay. This action finalizes the process and you're now subscribed to Udemy. And that's it. So that is how you can buy Udemy subscription. So that's all for this video. Thanks.